Hello, and welcome to this episode of Caught on Camera, where we take a look at frightening near misses on level crossings in the UK and Ireland. In the footage, which has been released to warn of the dangers of acting unsafely on the railway, we see a woman dangerously posing for photos on the tracks, and a woman getting trapped underneath a level crossing barrier. But first we see the moment a child steps onto a level crossing in front of an oncoming train. Shocking CCTV shows the moment a toddler steps out onto a level crossing in front of an oncoming train. They pick up their pace when the driver of an approaching train has to slow down and sound the horn as a warning. Alarming CCTV shows the moment a woman dangerously poses for a photo shoot on railway tracks. In the footage, a woman can be seen sitting on a chair posing for photographs between the tracks. Other clips show a man lying down between the tracks for a photograph.
I say hit me. Well, you can feel it coming. Well, you need to skim drop. Get one of these. Do you
And people crossing in front of oncoming trains. The incidents included in the compilation were recorded at a level crossing in Nottingham. Shocking CCTV shows the moment a level crossing barrier came down on a woman's head in Ireland, temporarily trapping her underneath. Two women can be seen running across railway tracks as the barriers begin to close for an approaching train to pass through. One of the women is seen passing the barrier just in time. However, on the other side, the closing barrier hits the other woman on the head, causing her to fall underneath it. Another clip shows a car becoming trapped on a crossing when the barriers close on one side and then the other, leaving them stuck on the tracks. Another video shows a barrier closing on a cyclist and knocking them off their bike. Further footage shows large vehicles catching and breaking barriers, with one barrier left lying on the tracks. Still to come on this episode of Caught on Camera. The moment children dancing and running on a train track narrowly avoid being hit. And a boy on a level crossing being distracted by his phone moments before a train passes. Frightening footage shows the moment a woman on a level crossing came within half a second of being struck by an oncoming train, The woman, who Network Rail said didn't take notice of the warning lights and audible signals, was nearly hit by the train at a level crossing in Birkdale. The level crossing is situated on the northern line of the Merseyrail network, between Birkdale and Hillside stations, where trains travel at speeds of up to 60 miles per hour. Here, we see a teenage boy standing on the lines while gazing at his mobile phone, just moments before a train passes. Another clip shows a dad walking two children across the tracks while absorbed by his handheld device. A cyclist is also seen ambling across a train line before being forced to scramble to the other side as a train thunders towards him. As he luckily avoids being hit by the train, he even waves to the driver of the locomotive as it hurtles past. A couple are also caught on camera pushing a pushchair across the level crossing, despite the barriers to trains being raised. The couple, who also had a dog on a lead, can be seen running across the tracks while chatting to each other. This is a terrifying moment. Children dancing and running on a live railway line were almost hit by a train.
I'll be sorry, I'm too scared. I do not want to die. Please do. Guys, I do not want to watch you die. Please do it early. It's coming so quick. It's quite close. No. Go! Fucking go! Forward. This is fucking forward.
More footage shows various dog walkers and bike riders crossing the tracks and avoiding being hit by oncoming trains by mere seconds. Another video shows a young person appearing to urinate on a stretch of the railway where trains pass through at up to 70 miles per hour. Thanks for watching another episode of Caught on Camera. If you're watching us on shottv.com or Freeview, thanks so much for supporting our channel. Stay tuned for more authentic UK television coming up. Thanks for watching.
You're watching Shots, the heart of weird and wonderful UK life. Meet unforgettable characters, dive into quirky stories, and explore the eccentric side of Britain like never before.